Alright, this is 803 Park Street South. This is after sewer jetting. We removed all of the tile debris, pieces of cast iron, tap cons. So we are going to make a recording of the pipe after all the debris is gone. So we're starting where the pipe was cut near the city tap. We're going up towards the house. You notice how nice and round and beautiful it is. It looks awesome. So there's our test tee right before we go under the house. Now we're going under the house. Pipes looks like it's in great shape now that all the debris is gone. So we're about to make a turn here through the cast iron. It's like a 45 or possibly a 90. Just want to make sure we got all of our debris out of here. And there's our stack. Looks awesome. Let's come on out, make sure everything's gone. From the first video, this thing was full. It looks awesome. Pipe's in great shape. And there's where the pipe was cut. I'm going to conclude the video.